Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You're back for another video with Data Zero, and I have an update for AMC for you guys, and you're not going to want to miss this one. So I was up late night doing some research, and I dropped a video late last night explaining this bar slash fractal pattern that I pulled from the 2020 run-up. And guys, it is playing out exactly as the bars slash fractal pattern is showing. So we're going to go over all of that in the charts, what's going on right now, why I think this move we're seeing is going to continue, and why I think a massive run is coming for AMC. So let's not waste any more time. Get in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on. Guys, what is up? You are back for another update with Data Zero, and guys, I have some huge information for you guys. Something huge is happening for AMC. I do think we are about to see a massive move for AMC. So I was up late night doing some research, and I made a video called All-Time Highs Are Possibly Coming for AMC. If you did not see that, you need to check that out, but I'm gonna go through that again and explain this with you guys. So basically, I took a fractal slash bars pattern from the move of 2020, the run up that we've seen to about $20. So we had a similar double bottom right here and right here. So I took the fractal from that and then moved it over here, and then adjusted it for size and got that bars pattern and got the run up that we see now. Now the same thing is playing out here. So if we go ahead and zoom in, we can see that we had the same double bottom just on a bigger time frame. So we guys can see we had that double bottom here and that double bottom here. So let's go ahead and take that red line and mark that double bottom. That's what that red line is here. So if we go ahead and take that red line and mark it and zoom in, we can determine that this bars pattern is playing out, and it called the bottom and that huge bounce, and the double bottom is set up for a huge macro setup. This is a huge technical setup to set up for the spring launching AMC to this move that we're about to see. So let's go ahead and check out this bars pattern and see what's up. So if you go ahead and see, we had that dip down, then we break above that double bottom line, retest the line, get that spring, and move to the upside. That's exactly what happened. We broke down, broke above the line, retested the line, got that spring, boom, moved to the upside. Now we're in that bull flag consolidation and breakout. So we go ahead and look at the bars pattern. We can see that we had that bull flag consolidation and that breakout. Now I want to see AMC close above the previous high of the bull flag. So if we look at the previous high of the bull flag, that was at $5.15. We are already above $5.15 at time of recording. So if AMC closes anywhere above $5.15, that means this pattern is playing out. And what I want to see for tomorrow is another explosive day, an explosive day of about a 20 to even 30-40% move, because I want to see it move above the previous local high. So what are we looking at next? If the bull flag breaks out and we break above that $1.50 or that $5.15 mark, we're looking at this candle here. So this candle is above the previous local high. So if we look at that previous local high right here, we can see that it is above that previous local high. So if we go ahead and zoom in, it would be above this local high here. So it'd be above this local high right here. And you guys can see that is at about $5.50. So we want to see AMC move above $5.50 and get up into this range and test this high here of $6. So we want to see AMC get above $6, $6.50 tomorrow, have another push up, possibly to $8 above the local high right here. We want to see AMC move up past that local high right there, and that is the local high that we're looking at. We want to see AMC move up past that, so we want to see it retest these local highs and get up to about $8. So an explosive move from AMC tomorrow. If this fractal is to play out, we want to see it above $6 to $8. Okay, so if this pattern is continuing playing out by tomorrow or tomorrow's close, we want to see it above $6 to $8, which I know is crazy to say, but it is look like this pattern is playing out, and there's a lot of technicals saying this pattern is playing out. So this pattern would take us up to previous all-time highs when it finally plays out, and there's a lot of technicals saying that this could possibly very well happen. If we go ahead and look on the daily time frame, so we go ahead and look on the daily time frame, we can zoom in and see that the Bollinger Bands are getting very, very tight, telling me volatility is coming. Now, the way to determine which way this volatility is coming, because it only tells you a big move is coming when the bands get tight, it doesn't tell you which way it is. But you can determine that if it's above the blue medium line, which is right here, and if you have bullish MACD, it's most likely going to be a move to the upside. And you can see that we have bullish MACD and we are above the blue medium line. Now, when we zoom out and look at the bigger picture, the bigger time frames, and go back to that bars pattern that we see in the same place that I took the fractals. You guys can see the Bollinger Bands got very, very tight, and we had green weekly MACD. And on this run up here, we also had the Bollinger Bands constricting on themselves, getting tight, and green weekly MACD for these two run ups. What do we see happening right now? Bollinger Bands getting very, very tight, constricting on themselves, telling me volatility is coming, a very big move. This is on the weekly time frame, and green weekly MACD. This is all very exciting. This is all confirming that this big move is coming and something big is coming for AMC. If we put on the EMAs and put them on the daily time frame, you can see that the EMAs are high above where we are. So the 200 EMA is all the way up at $7, and we want to see it break above $7 tomorrow. So we can see that AMC could possibly get all the way up into these ranges very, very easy, and it is very, very possible. If we go ahead and zoom in and look at some indicators telling us that momentum is on our side, go ahead and put on the alligator and go ahead and look on the 4-hour time frame. You can tell that we are gaining momentum, and this move has a lot of momentum because there's a bullish band, which is the green band, and a bearish band, which is the blue band. When the move has a lot of momentum, there's a lot of width in between the bands. When the move's about to end, the bands get close together. Now, using that same terminology and using a momentum indicator, which is down here on the bottom, you can call the tops and bottoms of runs because momentum will start to die down and the bands will start to get close together. As you guys can see, the momentum indicator is pinned to the top, and the bands have a ton of width in between them, telling me this move has a ton of momentum and it is not going to stop. Now, if we go ahead and put on the Hakanashi style candles, this measures candles in volume instead of by price, so it's easier to determine up and down trends. As you guys can see, clear uptrend, clear downtrend, clear uptrend, clear downtrend. And what are we in now? A very clear uptrend, Hakanashi candle styles, confirming the uptrend is coming, alligator confirming that the uptrend is continuing, and all of this is telling us that momentum is building, and we are building for a nice move to the upside. Now, if we go ahead and put on the super trend, gives us a buy and sell signals based off a couple metrics. You guys can see that normally correlates with nice run-ups to the upside. Now, we have that buy signal on the 4-hour time frame, and it's correlating, telling me that we are going to have a nice run-up to the upside. Now, the only thing that is concerning is RSI is approaching oversold here on the overbought here on this 4-hour time frame. If it gets above 70, that is overbought, and it means that we could be seeing a pullback. But I'm thinking that RSI might get tacked out like last time. If we look at last time we ran up, RSI got completely blown out and stayed tacked to the upside, so we could have that same thing happen. As you guys can see, last time we ran up, RSI was just tacked all the way to the upside and tacked all the way to the upside, so that could happen now, and we could see that move. But on the daily time frame, we have plenty of room to run. RSI only at 50, giving us plenty of room to run to the upside, telling me that this move to the upside is very, very possible and actually very, very likely and most likely going to happen. I'm very, very hyped about it, very, very excited. And if you guys can't tell, very hyped and very excited about this move. Ape also having a great day today, up 2%. I'm thinking volatility is coming for Ape. I'm thinking Ape is also going to have a big move. If you guys go ahead and put on the Bollinger Bands, you guys can see they are constricting, telling me volatility is coming. We have green MACD, and we are above the blue medium line, telling me the volatility is most likely going to be to the upside. So I think both stocks are about to see a major pop, especially AMC with the cost to borrow and the fractal pattern playing out. And AMC would obviously, and Ape would obviously have to run with it because they don't want them getting too far apart because the arbitrage trade possibilities. Guys, I think something big is coming for the meme stocks. I think this is playing out, and this fractal is playing out right as you guys see. And I just went through and explained to you what we want to see. So again, we're in that bull flag consolidation. We want to see us close above $5.15, and then tomorrow we want to close around the local previous high of. So we want to be around $6 to $8 on our chart. It will be above that previous local high. It'd be about $8.50. So we want to see us close around $8.50, but realistically, we'll just say $6 to $8.50. Now, if we get above $8.50 and $8 to $12, that is the golden zone. There's little support and resistance after that, and we could absolutely launch after that, and that is what the fractal is suggesting. We get past that golden zone, break through resistance, and just absolutely take off, and that's exactly where we'd be if we get past that $8 range. So if we get to that $8.50 range, which is the golden zone, we break past that and then absolutely launch up to all-time high. So guys, I'm very excited for what is going on. Again, we want to close above $5.15. So if we go ahead and look at the smaller time frame, see what AMC is doing at time of recording. Let's go ahead and take off the indicators so we can see. Go ahead and take off all the indicators. You guys can see that we had this bull flag set up. We did break out of that bull flag, and we now are seeing a little bit of pullback, which I expected today. I had a pattern up basically showing the path that I expected for AMC today, and we went up to this resistance, came down, retested this, and then went to the upside like that. So that is what I'm expecting to happen today, and that would put us above that dollar or that $5.15 range, the previous local high right here, which we want to see for the bars pattern / fractal to continue to play out. Again, we had the breakout from the double bottom, bounce, spring retest, got the spring, bull flag consolidation, and we want to see a breakout, bars pattern, break to the downside, breakdown, retest a double bottom, spring, break to the upside, bull flag consolidation, and now it is playing out exactly as you guys can see. So guys, this is the video. Very, very exciting news. All-time highs possibly coming for AMC, as crazy as that sounds. I want to get this information out. I possibly will be going live. I was having some technical difficulty. I do not know why. I have a very good internet system. I do not know why that was happening, but I am looking into that, moving my router around and testing things and seeing what's going on as we speak to make sure I can get to you guys and give you guys that information that I want to give you. So remember, close above $5.15 is what we want to see today. Guys, very, very exciting that this fractal is playing out and this possibly is happening. And this double bottom, this huge macro double bottom is possibly playing out right now as we speak, and not very many people are talking about this. Not very many apes are ready for this massive run that could potentially be coming from this macro double bottom, but I am, and you guys are now because you follow this channel. So hopefully you found this video informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and remember, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content like this, and remember, you can check out Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. They'll be linked down in the comments in the description below. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.